Alright, let's unbox GoPro 5 here. Okay. I just opened the cover and you can see that. Yeah. Oops. Oops. How can I put it? Oops. Oh, I got it. Here we go. Here we go. Like that. And let's see what inside. Instruction. And what's that? Accessory here. That's it. So what's this? This is a USB-C and the general USB port. No more USB cable. And battery. What's that? It's stand here. It's a general one. 3M. Here is that. And finally, I need to confirm the real one. Here. How can I take it out? No way. Wait a moment, I need to check the instruction. Yes. Here. Here. Four. And no. Wait a moment. Yeah, I got it. Here we go. This is GoPro 5. How can I turn it on? Wait a moment. Where's the power button? I guess no. I guess here. No. Not here. No. Here. No. How can I turn on? Yes. No. Not here. So let's take it out from housing here. It's a little bit tight, but seems to be easy. This is GoPro 5. I think it's slightly bigger than the GoPro 4. I don't have a GoPro 4 at this moment, but I'm assuming that's slightly different in terms of the size. Of course, GoPro 5 is bigger than the GoPro 4. How can I turn it on? I don't like. No. This is ridiculous. I didn't put charger. I'm sorry. This is charger here. So there is no compatibility between the GoPro 4. And how can I turn it on? Here. This is connector. Here. I'm gonna push it into the body. I think this direction. No, not to this direction. Which way? It's easy. Like this. Like this. Covered. Okay, power on. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. Oops, nothing happened. Nothing happened. Initially, maybe. What's happened? Come on. What's that? we need to remove this cover. Here it is. You see? Yes. English menu. Yes. Okay. Go ahead. How can I go ahead? Here. Now. This is touch panel. Oh yes, touch panel. And date today is 2016 October 8th. The sensitivity of the touching is it's slightly different, of course, iPhone, but quite similar to the Garmin's touch panel, but the sensitivity is better than the Garmin's panel. And time it's okay, let's keep it. And the GPS should be on, and the camera tool start. Mode button, should press power. Mode button here. This is power button if you maintain for a long time. I think 5 seconds or something like that. And yeah, I can confirm the several instructions regarding each button. This is shutter. I see. It's just fine. And the camera mode is setting is so far 1080, and the frame per sec is around 30, and FOV wide. Alright, tap below change mode. Doesn't work. Advanced setting. Preference. Media. Mobile application. Quick speed. I got it. Here. Oops. I think here. No SD card. That's fine. That's fine. And the charge is around 60% at this moment. So I need to put the SD card and so on. Let's see. This is unboxed and just turning on the device at this moment, and then you can see that the accessory is quite simple body. And what's that? It's a stand, and I don't use usually. And then this one too, and the cable, and finally it's housing. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.